everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation 4 from the safe mode menu. Now I'm turning on my PlayStation 4 right now, but we want to launch it into the safe mode menu. And there's a couple different ways that we can do this. Now we can go to the front of our PlayStation and then hold down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds, and this will completely turn off our PlayStation. But once we get into the PlayStation, we want to hold down the PlayStation button and then go to the power options and then go to where it says turn off PS4 right here. And then our PlayStation will completely turn off. And we need it completely turned off, not in rest mode, to enter safe mode. Then also you will need a USB to micro USB cable just like this and connect it to your controller. And then when your PlayStation turns off, hold down the power button right here and hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. You will hear one beep initially, and then you will hear another beep about 10 to 15 seconds later. And then it should start into the safe mode menu. Now, on your controller, you will want to press the PlayStation button when you see the on-screen safe mode. So let's press the PlayStation button. Now I can operate the safe mode menu with the D-pad. Now we can go on down to Initialize PlayStation 4. And it says if you initialize the PS4, all users and all data will be deleted from the PlayStation. Are you sure you want to continue? So this will factory reset your PlayStation 4, and you won't have to reinstall the system software. If you go to option number 7, Initialize PS4 and reinstall system software, you can do this, but you need to go to PlayStation.com and then download the system software to a USB stick. So this is a complete last resort. If everything else failed on your PlayStation, you can get this to work by going to PlayStation.com, downloading that onto your USB stick, and then going to this option. Now, if you also want to restore the default settings on your PlayStation, you could try going to option number 4 before option number 6 and 7. Restore default settings right here. It says this setting will be returned to the default values. Like you will have to relog into PlayStation with your email address, your password. You'll be signed out of the network options and you'll have to connect to Wi-Fi once again. But your game data should still remain on your PlayStation, so it shouldn't erase those for you. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.